What's going on? Buttery Workshop back with another episode. Today I'm going to be showing you the latest addition to my Filson collection, and I've been on a super long hunt trying to find the best tote bag as a replacement to my personal item that has accompanied me on every single trip I've taken since college, which is damn near all of my adult life, which is the Filson Journeyman backpack. This is what I believe is the OG one with the leather back here. I believe now they have like a webbed little situation going on, but this thing has been with me through thick and thin. It is all tattered up. It's got holes in it. It's got, you know, it's showing all the signs of wear that you would expect for a bag that has literally gone everywhere. It's been under the seats in front of me. It's been in storage containers up ahead. It's been thrown in the corner of hotel rooms and airport floors. It's been everywhere. It's been everywhere. And this backpack is amazing. I will never get rid of it. It will never leave my collection, but it isn't the best in terms of making the most of the storage capacity. So this bag, I don't know why bags are measured in liters. There's probably some reason why, but the capacity for this bag is 23 liters. I think a lot of that can be attributed to this large front pocket, which is super handy, especially when this main compartment is all filled up, which is relatively easy. Give you a quick little glimpse in there, but when you put a laptop in here and you have, you have a little zipper compartment and a little front pocket, then you have the main compartment. But when you have a laptop in here and something in this front part, there's like barely any space to fit anything else in here. So normally I can fit like a portable speaker, a book, maybe a hoodie. If I have my laptop and I have, my toothbrush or whatever, little stuff in there, and then I can fit stuff on the outside. But when you're traveling around, especially if you're in a city or whatever, you don't really want your stuff just hanging out in a pocket that's easily accessible like this. Like I could reach my whole hand in here and pull stuff out. Look at that, some Delta headphones. But I've been looking for a replacement, and I did look far and wide. I looked at a bunch of different brands or whatever, but I'm a Filson guy. And I landed on the Rugged Twill Tote with zipper, or the Filson Zippered Tote. Now, if you're familiar with Filson, there are a few colors that are part of the main line, which is this otter green. There's the classic tan, which I do have some tan pieces, but I don't have any out here. So I'll put it on the screen right there. And navy blue. There used to be brown, but that was discontinued. So I've been searching all over, looking at all these Filson bags. These retail for $295, and even on the secondary market, they're trending around like $200. Maybe the cheapest one I found was $175, and that one was sort of ran through. So I was looking far, and I'm recording outside in my backyard, and somebody's making bacon. Somebody's making bacon right now, and it smells fantastic. But I was searching far and wide for a Filson tote that I wanted. There are limited collaborations and all this stuff. And then this one popped up on my radar. And this is actually a Filson Workshop piece. So the Filson Workshop produces pieces in very limited quantity. Sometimes they're offered online, sometimes they're exclusive to in-store. But this is literally the only tote bag that I found with this color rugged twill and this bridal leather. This is sort of Filson's signature material makeup, which is that rugged twill material, which is, as it's called, very rugged, very hardy. You can drag this thing all over the place and you're gonna be good. It's not gonna fail on you. And you have this beautiful bridal leather straps, and I've never seen them in this color. I did see one other Filson Workshop piece in this makeup, but it was a medium duffel, which I already have. So traveling with a duffel, if you're in an airport especially, not for the faint of heart. I did it and it was super difficult. I'm just lugging that bill around like, oh, how'd I do this? But if you're going on like a little weekend getaway, you could throw it in the back of a car. Perfect. So I found this Filson Workshop zippered tote, and it has some things that are a little bit different from the standard zippered tote. If you look at this pull tab here, it has a little, it kind of looks like an arrowhead with an F inside it. It says 1897, which I'll presume is when Filson was founded. There's also what looks like a howling wolf right here, maybe a dog. But the last thing that makes a difference, we have to pull some things out because I wanted to stage this bag so you guys have an idea of the full capacity. It has this leather tab on the front, or leather patch rather, that says Filson Workshop, and it also says Mark here. And I did see that on a bunch of other Filson Workshop pieces. I don't know if Mark is the person that did that, or I don't know. I haven't looked too deep into it yet, but those are the main differences between this Filson tote bag and all the other ones that are available in the main line. Now, to give you an idea of capacity, like I mentioned, with this bag, I could fit my laptop in a sleeve, I could fit a portable speaker, a book, maybe a hoodie if I like bunched up at the top, and like my normal stuff, toothbrush, deodorant, whatever I could fit in this front pocket, which I really don't use that much. It does have lots of good little pockets in here. So I'd have a pen, I'd have my charger, throw my wallet in here when I'm going through TSA, throw my phone, whatever. It does have this zippered pocket, you know, this little thing. It has places to put things, although it doesn't utilize the space the best. This bag, on the other hand, once you open up this main compartment, it's just like a big black hole. So, pause if needed. So it does have these external pockets right here. It has one of these on each side, so you can fit a water bottle. It has these little areas where you could slide in a laptop. On this side, I have a pretty big book, just so you could see how versatile it is. Dilla time, tap in if you haven't already. RIP the GOAT. So when you open this main compartment, mind you, I already told you, this bag, laptop, sweater, portable speaker, whatever. Portable speaker. Got a little coat. My Filson little dot bag travel kit with all your essentials. This is otter green, just to give you a little view into how this originally looked. Well, how this originally looked. You can see the fading that has happened over time and the patina. This bag was originally this color. But that's one of the beautiful things about Filson products. They age with you over time. Sunglass case. A side bag that I normally carry my camera in. And last but certainly not least, another new acquisition. This Porter Yoshida laptop portfolio situation, which when I originally ordered this, I didn't think it would be big enough to fit my laptop, but it has this main compartment here where I have my laptop. It has little pencil slots and little areas you could put in a phone charger, a wallet, whatever. There's also like other half of the compartment also has these external pockets, and this was a necessary pickup. I justified it because, as I mentioned, the inside of this is just a black hole. So I imagined I would need something that goes inside of here where I can organize some stuff a little bit, or else I'm just gonna be digging around and trying to find stuff. And it just, I could see this. I've done this enough. I've been down this path before, and you don't want to be fishing around for stuff if you don't have to. But this bag is super fire. One thing I really like about tote bags, you can flatten them out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Throw it on there, and you're on the move. You're on the move, you're doing what you gotta do. And it has this zipper. There is a Filson tote without the zipper, but I just like the added security of having a zipper, especially if you're on an airplane. You can zip this thing up and just stuff it under the seat in front of you, throw it in the overhead bin, and stuff's not gonna be spilling all out and have you looking like Boo Boo the Fool out there. But yeah, this, just give you some more specs. This is about 15 inches, if I'm not mistaken, wide, 12 inches, approximately, maybe 13 going up. These handles are 14 inches, rugged twill, bridle leather. You can actually see, I'm not sure if this is due to the age of the leather or if this was like a leather conditioner and there was just too much on there, but you see that little white sort of residue on there. I don't know what that is. It smells good, but yeah, I can smell the age on this. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning up and reconditioning before our trip. I do have some travel coming up soon. So yeah, this thing is beautiful. There's lots of discussion out there about the current state of Filson, and the older products are built better than the newer products, blah, blah. There's no product tag inside of here. I can give you a little, I know there's one in here. So this is the tag that I'm referring to, and it will indicate where this product was made, when it was made. There's some sort of dates on there, manufacturing dates. This bag does not have that, which I imagine is because this is not part of the main line. So I can't really date when this bag was produced. Maybe if I did a little bit more research, I could find that. But as far as I can tell, between all the products that I have from different generations of Filson, if you will, the product doesn't appear to be slipping. I haven't gotten my hands on any of the latest products in 2024, 2023, whatever, but generally speaking, Filson is tried and true. And I have watched videos of other people doing comparisons where some people think there's a noticeable difference. One thing I'll call out though, the guy was comparing two products that were made of two different colored rugged twills. And I do feel like the otter green, for whatever reason, maybe it's just because I have most of my products in otter green and I've used them, it does feel a little bit softer for whatever reason. I don't know. That might just be my personal experience, but I have seen other videos where people are like, yo, it's the same. Like, there are minor differences, but they're kind of negligible, and there's nothing that, it's gonna stand out, and you're not gonna be walking down the street and the strap just falls off or the zipper just breaks on you. Like, it's Filson braided YKK, tried and true, proven throughout the decades. So drop a comment down below if you have any Filson products, you have any experiences. Let me know if y'all have one of these, or if you're familiar with the Filson Workshop. This is really, I'm ashamed to admit that this is my first time really learning about the Filson Workshop pieces, and I'm happy to have my hands on one. One of my biggest problems is I already have a pretty extensive Filson collection, so finding pieces and justifying new pieces is kind of difficult, but this one, I think this one's gonna do me good. But yeah, if you like this kind of videos, definitely subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace. Whoosh.